Hi everyone! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to withdraw money from the Worldcoin app to your bank account. Since Worldcoin doesn't currently support direct bank transfers, we'll use a crypto exchange like Binance to complete the process. First, open the Worldcoin app and log into your account. Then, tap the dollar icon on the main screen to access withdrawal options. Next, select the cryptocurrency or money type you'd like to send. This could be Worldcoin, Bitcoin, or dollars depending on your balance. Now, here's an important note. You can't send money directly from Worldcoin to your bank, so you'll need to transfer your crypto to an exchange like Binance first. Open your Binance app, go to your wallet, and tap Deposit. Search for the cryptocurrency you're transferring, for example, Worldcoin or wrapped WLD. When prompted, make sure to choose the correct network. Select WorldChain if that's what your coin uses. Then, copy the deposit address shown on the screen. Go back to your Worldcoin app and paste that Binance deposit address into the Send field. Enter the amount you want to transfer, double-check everything, and confirm the transaction. Once the transfer is complete, your crypto will appear in your Binance wallet. From here, you can sell it for your local currency, such as dollars or euros. Finally, go to Binance's withdrawal section, choose Bank Transfer, and enter your bank details to move the money directly to your bank account. And that's it! Your funds are successfully moved from Worldcoin to your bank. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.